welcome back to another tiki edition of Spirit Seers Cocktail Corner. Today I'm making for you the Jungle Bird. This is a classic tiki cocktail that features dark Jamaican rum and our old friend Campari. So let's get into it. We're going to start off by getting our tins. And we're going to add 3/4 of an ounce of Campari. If you're not a big Campari fan, if it's maybe a little too bitter for you, a good suggestion is to substitute Aperol. Aperol is also an Italian aperitif, and it is a little bit bitter, but it's much less bitter than Campari. So if you find yourself struggling with Campari drinks, kind of ease into it and pick up some Aperol instead. All right. So now we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of lime juice. A 1/2 ounce of our Demerara syrup. Then we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. And then 1.5 ounces of our dark rum. The Jungle Bird really is best suited to a dark Jamaican rum. And of all of those, my favorite is Hamilton Jamaica Pot Still Black. So we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of this. We're going to shake this with ice. And we're going to just open pour this into a double rocks glass. Garnish that with a little orange wheel and a couple of pineapple fronds. Never hurt anybody. And there you have it, the Jungle Bird. This is honestly one of my favorite tiki drinks. It's pretty simple to prepare. Has a lot of complexity in the flavors. Not a lot of the spices and things that you necessarily think of when you're thinking tiki drinks. But it's not too sweet, it's not too fruity, it's just very balanced. We get these bitter grapefruit notes from the Campari. We get a nice tartness from the lime. The Demerara syrup just kind of helps to marry all of these flavors. And then we get a nice amount of that Jamaica rum funk from the Hamilton and nice rich notes of molasses. So I think you're really hard pressed to find just a better, quick summer tiki cocktail than the Jungle Bird. So enjoy.